welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited. I have a fall haul from Hobby Lobby for you. When I was in there and I did the shop with us, I knew I saw some things and I wanted them, but I wanted to wait till it was 40% off. And you probably know by now, Hobby Lobby does have 40% off their fall. So let me show you some things that I picked up. I'm so excited. I love fall, and I'm really looking forward to start doing DIYs for fall. It'll be a little while now before I do them, but I'm keeping things and I'm gathering my supplies so I'll be ready. So let me show you what I picked up, and this is in no particular order. Okay, they had some of this really pretty, it's almost like I know it's not a wheat, but it almost reminds me of something like that. And it was $2.99. And I got 2 bunches of it, and it was 40% off. Everything that I'm going to show you was 40% off. And I think this, starting today, I think their floral is 50% off. Okay, and then I picked up just these little pumpkins. They were $1.99, and you can stick them on anything, but I thought they were so cute. You could use it for your planner or anything else. I just love it. And then I picked up this yard flag. I'm not going to use it for a flag, but it just has a little scarecrow on it, and it says welcome, and it was $7.99, but I think it's going to be beautiful with what I'm going to do with it. I'm so excited. And then they had some ribbon. So I'm not sure, I probably will do a funky bow, but I bought 4 bolts of it, and I'm not sure what combinations I'm going to be using. But I loved this. I think it's very pretty, and it was $7.99. Okay, all the ribbon that I picked up was. And then here's this one. I think that's really pretty. I hope it's coming across. It's kind of cloudy here today. And then this one is so pretty. I think maybe you can see it better that way. And then this one. And did I show you this one? Anyway, I think these are going to be really pretty put together, and I'm not sure, you know, which ones I will put together, but they do all go together nicely, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. Okay, and then I picked up this Hello Fall. If you watched my shop with me, you saw it in there. I think it's going to make a really cute DIY. I'm really excited, and I love the writing. It just looks so happy to me. So I got that, and then I picked up this big pumpkin, and the pumpkin was $9.99, and it is a really big size, and it's just like that on both sides, but it's going to be really pretty. And I don't think I told you, but this was $5.99 right here. Okay, and then I picked up this little harvest sign. It's so cute with the little pumpkins, and it says harvest blessings, and it has the little button right here. I just think it's adorable. And it was $7.99. So I think that's going to be really, really cute. And then I picked up this pumpkin, and it was $9.99. And it has a little stand with it, so it will stand up. But I just love those cream colors. I think they're so pretty. And that gold, and then just the dimension on the front of the pumpkin. I loved it when I saw it. And then when I was in there, I knew I was coming back to get this. I love this picture. It is so pretty. It's so rustic looking. And I love the truck with all the pumpkins and the sunflowers. I just think, and the barn, I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Now they also had a tractor one that I didn't see in my shop with me, but I liked this one the best, so I picked this up. And this one was $15.99, but I love it. It's so pretty. I love those colors. And then I picked this up, Gather Around the Table. I loved it when I saw it. It's a sign that can hang up, and it was $19.99. but I love how that looks. It looks so farmhouse. You could actually leave this out year round if you wanted to. I don't think that I will, but I love it. I love how it just looks old and beautiful. And then the last thing I got, it really isn't a large haul at all, is for Christmas. I saw this and I had seen it in the past, but I thought I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I just really like this little Christmas tree. I think it's so pretty, and I've got some ideas to do with it, and it was $6.99. Now, it wasn't on sale at all. I paid full price for that. Of course, I could have used my 40% off coupon and gotten this off too. But I hope you enjoyed the small haul, and if you see anything that you want or you'd like to get, that you run and get it. Our Hobby Lobby here in Pensacola, they either haven't fully stocked it or it's already being wiped clean, but I'm thinking it's just they don't have everything out yet, because the one in Daphne that I did my shop with me had tons of items and some things that I didn't see here that I was hoping that I would. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.